It is insane how much people are actually making on TikTok shop right now. And if you're not taking advantage of this opportunity, I have absolutely no idea what you're doing. This guy is making $60,000 in a day from posting random videos. Like the videos are not like really captivating, but he's actually making 60 grand in a day. And you can do this too because these are just random people making this amount of money on a daily basis. Let's get into the video. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. A couple of days or a couple of videos ago, I broke down the strategy to creating those health videos to sell products on TikTok shop as a TikTok shop affiliate or as a product owner. And a lot of people are making a whole lot of money, like thousands and hundreds of thousands of dollars on TikTok shop. And if you're not taking advantage of this opportunity right now, then you're really sleeping. Now let's get on Kalodata so we can see the products that are actually selling and we can see how much people are actually making, because it seems like a lot of people are yet to understand how lucrative TikTok selling on TikTok shop is, and it's so easy that anyone can actually do this. You don't have to be a professional video editor, you don't have to be a professional salesperson, you just have to be in the right place in the right time, and this is the right time to get into selling on TikTok shop. Now let's get on Kalodata so we can see how much these guys are actually and girls are actually making on this platform, selling products, that things that you can actually do, normal random people like you. Now let's get started so you can see. Now if you go on Kalodata, I'll leave a link in the description so you understand. You can go directly to the website so you can see what I'm seeing right now, and you can just scroll and you can see the top products here. The top product here is this multi-collagen peptides, and the second best seller is this 15-day cleanse. Then we have the vitamin D3 and K2. Then the sea moss that I actually covered in the previous video. I did a complete breakdown of how you can actually sell this, and this is the total revenue that this product has actually made, almost $700,000. Now this collagen and peptides has made $1.73 million, and there are about 55,236 items sold. It is crazy how much money people are making. If I scroll down, we are going to see the top creators, and this is Kalodata, by the way. You can see the top creators here. This is TY Boogie Reviews and Elite Hobby, Bestie Breeds. These are just random people like you, and you can actually do this by just posting random videos. I'm going to go over to this best selling creators, and I'll go over to his page so you can see how easy it is to create videos like that. This is his page. He just makes random videos of products. Most of these products are actually products that you might have at your apartment or in your house, and you don't actually have to buy them. You can just start reviewing products you already have. If you look at me, if you look at my screen now, you can see I'm touching this light thingy, this USB light thing. I have like two of them. I could just record them and post on my TikTok and actually start reviewing this product. But I'm not doing this actual what was it called, lights and photography kits or gears. I'm actually into the health and wellness niche, so that's what I'm actually doing. If you scroll over to this bestsellers page, you can see he's just holding products and talking about them. This is simple, something that anyone can do. Now let's go back to Kalodata. You can see how much he's earned. Now let's go to his page. Now okay, this is the creator page, and you can see this guy has actually made 412,000 from just 15th of April to the 21st. This is insane. It is absolutely insane. Let's go over to let's see how much he actually makes in a day. This guy makes anywhere from 58,000, almost 60, let's just call it $60,000 a day from just reviewing products. Something that you can actually do easily without stress. You can do this easily. That's what this guy is actually doing. That's what everyone selling on TikTok shop, that's what they're actually doing. He's gotten $412,000 in the last 7 days. Just 7 days. It is crazy. It is absolutely mind-boggling to see that this guy is making $60,000 a day, and it's something that you can actually do. In my previous video where I talked about selling that Irish sea moss, I broke down the steps that you can actually take when creating videos like these viral videos, and you don't even have to use AI tools now. You can actually just record yourself with a product or record yourself talking about a product, and you can just put the picture of the product on the screen, or you can go over to Amazon. Most of these products they're selling on TikTok Shop are on Amazon, and they have a ton of reviews and a ton of videos. So you can just go there and grab any video and add it to the video you're actually creating, and you can start selling on TikTok Shop. Normally, you might say, okay, you don't have a ton of followers, but these guys they didn't start with a ton of followers. I'm not advising you to buy followers. You can actually buy followers or buy pre-made accounts, but I'm not advising you to do that. You can actually start posting with and just have it in mind that okay, you're going to be consistent for this long, and you just start posting and see what happens. Don't just expect your videos to just pop like that. It takes consistency for you to start growing on TikTok or social media in general, which is what I talk about. Consistency is like really important. I spoke about that in my previous videos when I talked about the strategies you can actually use to grow an audience. It is simple for you to start making money on TikTok as a TikTok affiliate or anywhere else, generally on social media, because most platforms are actually incorporating selling on their platform, and it is going to be insane if you don't take advantage of this opportunity. This is the data of random people like you and me selling on TikTok Shop by just creating videos. They're just doing it for fun and they're making a whole lot of money. This guy is making 60 grand in a day. 60,000. Okay, let's go over to another creator. So it's not like it's one-sided. Let's go over to the next creator. Let's just pick a random. Okay, this is Celia. This Celia has just 10,000 followers. Not like this guy that has a ton of followers. This Celia has like 10,000 followers. So let's just go over to her page. For some reason, since I'm on the free plan, it's not loading. And by the way, you can do a lot with this free plan on Kalodata. I'll just go back to. But this is actually insane how much money they are making, and you can do this too by just replicating their steps. This is something I talked about in I think about 2 videos ago. I talked about replicating steps that work. That's how you make money on social media, by replicating steps that work. If you don't replicate steps that work, you're going to be lacking behind. You can start selling today on TikTok Shop and you're going to make a whole lot of money. And I'm urging anyone watching this video to start selling on TikTok Shop, as that's like an easy way to make a lot of money. I'll leave a link to the previous video. I went step by step on how much money you can actually make and how you can go by creating simple AI videos for any product. And that framework works with any product. You just have to tweak it a little bit. I went step by step, in depth, explaining how you can use this tool to your advantage and how you can edit viral videos. And I just started a wellness and health niche that I want to start and promoting products, and I'm just growing it, and I'll be showing in subsequent videos what has worked and what hasn't worked. And I hope you subscribe so you don't miss any of that. You like and share this video, and you should get started with TikTok Shop today. If you're not actually doing it, you should get started. I advise you to get started today, especially if you're in the countries where it's available. I know a lot of countries TikTok Shop is not available, but if you're in the US and UK and Malaysia and I think Thailand and a few other countries, then you should definitely take advantage of this opportunity, as it is like really huge, and you'll be sleeping if you're not taking advantage of this. Watch my other videos so you get up to speed with the latest and greatest AI tools and how you can implement them to make money online. I'll be reviewing a lot of tools in this coming week, and I hope you subscribe so you don't miss any of them. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.